Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Let's see about how to install Flacon 3.0.0 on Linux Mint 18.3. Flacon is a extract individual tracks from the one big audio file containing a lot of multiple albums of music. So we have to easily save into the directory with a separate audio file. Flacon takes the information from the appropriate CUE file. Besides, Flacons make it possible to conveniently revise specified tags both for all tracks at once or for each tag separately. Before you have to install the application, you should update your system repository using this following command. The updation is going on. After updating, you have to add the repository to install the Flacon application. The repository is adding now. Here we have to press enter to proceed the process. After adding the repository, you have to update your system repository once again. The updation is going on. After updating, you have to install a Flacon application. The installation is going on. Here we have to press Y to proceed the process. The installation was completed. Now we have to open the Linux Mint menu. Here we have to type Flacon. The application is shown on the Linux Mint menu bar. Here we have to click to open. The application is open now. If you want to extract the individual tracks from the one big audio file, you have to select a audio bundle from your local directory. Then you have to open. After choosing your file, you have to scanning. It will splitting into separate your audio files from the whole bundle of a big audio file. It will have a lot of customized configuration about using to convert the multiple files from the single large bulk file. These are all the installation process about Flacon 3.0.0 on Linux Mint 18.3. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Linux Help. To more further videos, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.